Hey everyone, this is Selwyn and welcome to Motion. In today's video, I'm going to show you one of the most powerful tools in Adobe Illustrator. If you're ready to level up your design skills, hit that subscribe button and join the Motion community. The pen tool is a game changer when it comes to creating precise paths and shapes. Whether you're making straight lines, curves, or intricate designs, it gives you full control over every detail. With just a few clicks, you can easily create clean, accurate lines. Here, I'm connecting the points, and in no time, we've turned this simple path into a complete shape. The pen tool allows you to create anything from logos to detailed illustrations with precision. Whether you're working on a logo, an illustration, or just some custom shapes, the pen tool is a must-know tool for every designer. That's a quick look at how to use the pen tool in Adobe Illustrator. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.